You have persevered, and today you stand before us not merely as degree holders, but as healers, scientists, caregivers, and guardians of human dignity. Jinnah Sindh Medical University carries a powerful name, Jinnah, a name synonymous with vision, discipline, and service. Quaid-e-Azam believed that education and health were the foundations of a strong Pakistan. He understood that a nation cannot rise if its people are unwell, unheard, or unseen. You are now inheritors of that responsibility. Medicine is not just about pharmacology or diagnostics. Medicine is about humanity. It is about the mother who walks miles to reach a clinic. It is about the child whose illness is compounded by poverty. It is about the elderly patient who needs not just treatment, but reassurance and respect. Your white coats are not a symbol of privilege. It is a promise to serve without prejudice, a promise to heal without discrimination, a promise to place compassion above convenience. And let me say this clearly. A society that does not respect its doctors, nurses, and healthcare workers cannot call itself civilized. We owe you not only gratitude, but protection, dignity, and the resources to do your work safely and effectively. Sindh has always been a land of knowledge, tolerance, and resilience. From the Indus Valley civilization to modern Karachi, this soil has produced thinkers, healers, and reformers. But Pakistan still faces stark healthcare challenges. Maternal and child mortality, malnutrition, mental health neglect, climate-related diseases, unequal access between urban and rural communities. These challenges will not be solved by slogans alone. They will be solved by you, by your skills, your ethics, and your willingness to serve where you are most needed. Some of you will specialize, some will conduct research, some will serve in public hospitals, some may go abroad to learn and grow. Wherever life takes you, I urge you, never disconnect your success from the service of your people. You are graduating in a time when medicine is being reshaped by technology, artificial intelligence, telemedicine, and data-driven care. But let us remember, technology without ethics is dangerous. Knowledge without empathy is hollow. Pakistan needs doctors who are not only competent but conscious, not only intelligent but ethical, not only ambitious but accountable. The future of healthcare must be patient-centered, inclusive, and just. And I assure you, voices like yours must be part of shaping health policy, public health reform, and medical education in this country. To the parents and families present here today, this moment belongs to you as well. Your sacrifices, prayers, and patience have shaped these graduates. To the faculty and administrators of Jinnah Sindh Medical University, you have not merely taught courses, you have shaped character. The nation salutes your dedication. And graduates, there will be days when the system frustrates you. There will be moments of exhaustion, doubt, and loss. But there will also be moments when a life is saved, when pain is eased, when hope is restored. In those moments, remember why you chose this path. Pakistan needs you, Sindh needs you, humanity needs you. Carry your knowledge with humility, carry your power with responsibility, carry your success with gratitude. As you step forward today, Do so with courage, consciousness, and compassion. May you heal not only bodies but trust. May you strengthen not only systems but society. And may you always remember that the greatest medicine is the service of humanity. Congratulations to the class of the 7th convocation of Jinnah Sindh Medical University. Pakistan Zindabad. Aap sabko bahut mubarak ho.
On behalf of the university, I extend a heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, for honoring this convocation with his esteemed presence.
چیئرمین پیپلز پارٹی بلاول بھٹو خطاب کر رہے تھے. انہوں نے کہا کہ تمام طلباء کو مبارکباد پیش کرتا ہوں. معاشرے میں